Within the Files app, we're able to compress multiple files or folders into a single zip file. This can be helpful when sending multiple files and folders via email. Rather than sending all of those separately, we can just send a single compressed zip file that can then be opened up using most any operating system or device. This can also be a good option if you're archiving files onto an external disk or server. To compress all the files in this folder, we just need to select them, and then from down in the ellipsis button, choose Compress. This is going to put all 6 of these files into a single zip file named archive.zip. We can then, of course, rename it and then share it or move it into another location. In this case, I'm going to move this into my desktop folder. And then from here, let's open up the zip file. This simply extracts a folder that contains the 6 files that we compressed into it. Over on the iPad now, we can do the same thing by selecting entire folders. I'll choose all 3 of these project folders, then go down to the More button and compress. Notice that all the selected files or folders need to be downloaded to the device in order to be compressed. That gives us the zip file with the entire contents of all 3 of those folders. The compressed zip files will still take up nearly the same amount of disk space as the files that were compressed into them. This doesn't drastically reduce the amount of storage space used by the compressed files.